Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I am going to demonstrate on how to upload the various documents required by the organization for an employee within the employee directory in KEBS. Once the user has navigated to the employee directory, he or she can simply click on the complete profile section for the employee for whom the documents need to be uploaded. From the various categories displayed, the user can select the HR documents section, and here all the documents that are required for the employee to be uploaded is displayed, where the user can simply click and upload the soft copies for the same. Once all the documents are uploaded, the user can click on the Save button and the document is attached to the particular employee successfully. Once all the details are filled, the profile completion score for the same is increased, and if no more categories need to be filled, the complete profile option is removed from the landing page for the same. Thank you for watching.